Here are some tips on solving the bird available problem. To make this task easier to understand, let's just run a sample of the completed program. So we see that we need to create a label that asks for input about the type of bird to search. I entered chicken because chicken is not on the list of the available bird types in this string. So let's go ahead and enter that. And we see that chicken available is false. So you should test something like that that is not in the list to make sure that it works as false. Now let's look for something that is in the string. And so I'm going to type crow. And crow available is true, so we know that works. What would happen, though, if I were to type crow so it was not the same case? So I capitalize crow, and it's still found. So that means when we're doing our comparison for the string from the input, that we're going to have to do something to make sure that the cases don't really matter when we're doing the comparison.